In this video, I will show you how to change Google Maps from bicycle to car. So if you want to change your Google Maps from bicycle to car, then this is what you need to do. So first of all, we're going to open our Google Maps. So let's go ahead and do that and click on here. And then we're going to select some directions. So let's fill in a starting point. Let's say we're going to start from this point in Tulsa. Then we're going to click on directions. Now we're going to select the starting point. Let's say Tulsa International Airport. And the direction is the center of Tulsa. Then it can be the case that your directions is manually set to bicycle, and then you will see it like this. And then you will also probably see it like this without an option to change. And this is the reason why a lot of people are not sure about how to change this to different types of transport. And it's actually pretty easy. You just need to click on this bicycle thing in here. And once you do that, you will see this option like I was in before. And here you can select all the options that are available. So you can just go ahead and select taxi in here, or you can select driving all the way in here. And then you can just go ahead and click on start. And right now it is not saying start because I am not in this area. But if you are in this area, you will see start, and then you are able to change your bicycle to car and to start the directions. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.